I'm Myles, driver_Myles on Instagram. This is my Nissan 350z 2008. I've kind of always been into cars since I was a little boy. It really took over for me when the Need for Speed games came out, Need for Speed Underground 1, Underground 2, and I'm a Fast and Furious baby. That kind of pushed me over the edge. I've been into cars ever since. I started with Hondas, you know, nice budget builds, and originally I liked the Z32s. First one I seen was red on gold wheels as it drove by, beautiful cars. I chickened out on getting one of those just because I seen how cramped the engine bay was and stuff like that, so eventually I stumbled across a good deal for the HR and jumped at the chance, so now I'm here. It's been great to me since I've had it. I'm in love with it. Alright, the current setup that it's at right now is I'm on engine intakes, the long tubes. I have a ported upper intake manifold, the lower is stock. It's on stock exhaust manifolds. I know last time I seen you guys I told you it was on shorty headers, but it's my first Nissan, so you know when I seen the headers when I looked in there when I first got it, they were tubular. I didn't know that they come like that, so you know, sorry about that, guys. Under the car, after the exhaust manifolds, I have Megan test pipes to a Stillen Y pipe. From there, it's a custom HKS exhaust all the way out 3-inch. As far as the wheels go, those are ESR reps, 18 by 9.5 in the front, 18 by 10.5 in the rear, lowered on Raceland coilovers. And that's pretty much it. You know, when I go out to the driving events, I'll take the passenger seat out and things like that. You know, try to cut a little weight last minute. Other than that, it's pretty much a basic bolt-on setup. That wing is it's actually a wide body rocket bunny. It came with a wide body kit, but I wouldn't go wide on like a car that I drive every day, not my personal thing. So I just grabbed the wing, put that there. And that's pretty much it. It's a stock shifter. It's not a short shifter or anything.
Yeah.
At the time when I went to the dyno, I had a bad oil leak, but the tuner did me a favor and put it on there anyway. He did 3 pulls for me, and it put down 282 horsepower and 252 torque. It's tuned by Saul. That's Saul_Nismo_Nights if you want to check his IG out. Best VQ tuner in the world. Yeah, that's it. Pretty much a bake-on, you know, bolt-on car, NA. Alright. The last thing, you guys may have noticed this fender. I didn't do that. I went to take your cars to reputable shops, you know? Take your car to a reputable shop. Just save your money and pay the extra money, because otherwise you'll pay for what you get. A tire shop snapped my wheel studs, and when I was driving away, the whole wheel came off and it looked like a Back to the Future tire where the car slid, fell onto my spacer, hit the ground, and that's what happened to the fender. So, you know, plan on going carbon fiber fenders, so I haven't, you know, gone to the junkyard and grabbed a black fender because I'm going carbon, so why waste the money? Over the next month, I'm gonna be retuning on E85. It's on 91 right now. And then maybe in the next year on this motor, I'll probably go nitrous. I'll probably throw maybe a 50, 100 shot at it. And then, you know, I plan on keeping the car forever, so I'll just grab another motor after that one's done. Probably do a nice NA setup, throw a cam in there, maybe throw the shot at it again, or maybe not, just depending on what the power level's at. And, you know, eventually boost over time. I'm a big fan of NA setups though, so boost will be a little while down the road. Other than that, yeah.